In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox controller to your MacBook. This will work with any Mac. First, what you want to do is turn on your Xbox controller, and on the top of your Xbox controller, you'll see this little black button. You want to hold this down. You want to hold this down until the light on the Xbox quickly flashes. Now this is in pairing mode. So from here, you want to come up to the little Apple logo, come down to System Preferences, and over to Bluetooth. Or you can come up to the control center here on the taskbar and come down to Bluetooth and Bluetooth Preferences. And here we can see the Xbox controller. You simply want to click Connect and your Xbox controller will quickly connect to your MacBook. You can then select these options where you can change some of the buttons on your Xbox. However, I like to keep them as default. You then want to click Done, and now we can X this away, and we need to install a game to play. So we come down to the Launchpad and up to App Store. The game I like the most is Asphalt 9. To know a game is compatible with controller, you want to look for this symbol here on the main page, or read the description where it may tell you without showing the symbol. So what we want to do once we discover a game that is compatible with the controller is simply click the Get button and then install the game. Now with that installed, let's head over to the game. And that is the Xbox controller successfully connected to your MacBook. And you can now play games on your MacBook or any Mac device that you have. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.